Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect your ChatGPT 4 with WebFlow without any other apps. So if you already have ChatGPT 4, it's really simple and easy. You just go explore GPTs and search for WebFlow. And now you will have it here. So this is WebFlow Assistant, for example, answers common WebFlow queries with detailed knowledge. And some other, for example, WebFlow GPT, as you can see. Now, there are some other. If you want to see them all, you can just click on more and search for your WebFlow. Now, if you would like to connect a different way for free, you may want to use Zapier. So it would be like create a new Zap. And then you're going to choose the trigger, which is WebFlow. And then you're going to choose a action, which would be ChatGPT, just like so. And after that, you just go ahead and choose an event. So for example, on WebFlow, when you have updated order, you want to now continue and connect WebFlow. The same goes with ChatGPT. But basically, an event would be updated order, and if you get updated order, you may want to, for example, convert or create translation or whatever you need. For example, write an email to that person and so on and so forth. So that's basically how you can connect with Zapier if this doesn't fit you. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.